Algebra, the blockbuster series of mathematics. Welcome to the most underrated blockbuster series in the history of humankind. Algebra Origins. No dragons, no superheroes, no love triangles. Okay, maybe a square plus 2ab plus b squared counts as a love triangle. Just pure brain power, passed down like a secret script across cultures. Greeks, Indians, Arabs, modern world. But trust me, this isn't boring. This is the Game of Thrones of mathematics, full of drama, cultural mashups, secret codes, and epic comebacks. Episode 1 Greeks, the visual storytellers. Our pilot episode begins with Euclid and the Greeks. These guys love geometry so much that if you ask them to solve a plus b squared, they wouldn't say a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Nope, they'd literally draw a square with side a plus b, chop it into smaller squares and rectangles, and say, देखो बच्चों, ये बड़ा स्क्वायर चार छोटे पार्ट्स में टूट गया. Their math was like an art gallery, no numbers, just diagrams. And honestly, it worked. You could literally see algebra happening in front of your eyes. But there was one problem. Life doesn't always come with a geometry box. You can't draw your way out of every equation. Ta-ta-da! Enter India. Episode 2 India, the masters of numbers. Welcome to 7th century India. Here comes Brahmagupta, rocking the stage with two blockbuster ideas. A. Negative numbers are real. Before him, people thought you can't go below zero. Brahmagupta said, "Arey bhai, loss bhi ek reality hai. If you lose 10 rupees, that's not nothing, that's minus 10. B. Zero is a number, not just an empty placeholder, but an actual character in the number squad. Zero was like the Spider-Man cameo in the Marvel universe. Once it entered, everything changed. And then comes Bhaskara II in the 12th century. He's the guy who could turn math into a Bollywood dialogue. Think something like, Samay aur Ganit rukte nahi, chalte rehte hain. Okay, not his actual words, but you get the vibe. But wait, the real masala twist is Pingala, around 300 BCE, a lyricist and prosody nerd, was already talking about a magical triangle of numbers, Meru Prastara. If you've ever seen Pascal's triangle in school, guess what? India already had it 1,000 years before Pascal. Pingala was like that OG indie musician whose song gets remixed by a French DJ centuries later. Episode 3 The Arab World, where algebra was born. Now the story shifts to the 9th century. Here comes Al-Khwarizmi, the man whose name literally gave us the word algorithm. Yes, the same algorithm that decides what shows up on your TikTok or YouTube feed. Respect, please. His blockbuster book, Kitab al-Jabr wal-Muqabla. Translation, The Book of Completion and Balancing. This book did something epic. It separated algebra from geometry, making it its own field. It gave systematic rules for solving equations, linear and quadratic, and most importantly, it gave us the word al-Jabr, which became algebra. Imagine, before Al-Khwarizmi, equations were scattered like messy clothes. He came, folded them neatly, arranged them in a cupboard, and said, "Beta, ye algebra hai, ab solve karo." Episode 4 East meets West. By this time, Europe was watching all this from the sidelines. They took the ideas from Indians and Arabs, rebranded them, and slowly built the math you and I suffer through in exams today. Greeks equals visuals. Indians equals numbers, zero, negatives, binomials. Arabs equals system plus branding. Together they made algebra what it is today, the universal language of equations. Episode 5 Algebra in Real Life. क्या फंडा है? You may think, bro, ये सब history ठीक है, but मुझे algebra क्यों पढ़ना है? Well, here's the deal. Algebra is everywhere. It's basically life's Google Translate. Shopping? If one shirt costs X, how much do 5 shirts cost? X times 5. Games? Scoring system in cricket? Totally algebra. Technology? Computer codes, AI models, even Instagram filters, all powered by algebra. Travel? If speed is 60 kilometers per hour and distance is 120 kilometers, how much time? Yes, algebra again. Without algebra, life would be like a movie without subtitles. Confusing if. Episode 6, Algebra's Bollywood Moments. Let's filmify algebra. A plus b squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Think of this like a love triangle. A plus b got together and suddenly three things popped out. A squared, self-love of A, b squared, self-love of B, and 2ab. Their couple moments. Quadratic equations ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. इसका बॉलीवुड इक्विवेलेंट तीन लोग एक कहानी में कभी A wins, कभी B, कभी both vanish. Drama guaranteed. 0. The ultimate superstar cameo. Doesn't say much, but without it, the story collapses. Ta-da! Final episode, Algebra Today. Fast forward to 2025. The algebraic journey that started with Greeks, Indians, and Arabs now powers everything: AI, cryptography, finance, engineering, space exploration. And you know what? The next chapter of algebra might be written by you. So the next time you solve x squared plus 2x plus 1, don't groan. Remember, you're part of a 2000-year-old Netflix series of knowledge. And trust me, this one has infinite seasons. Takeaway: algebra equals culture, creativity, logic. Algebra isn't just numbers. It's a collab album between civilizations. Greeks gave the melody, Indians dropped the beats, Arabs added the lyrics, and the modern world remixed it into math as we know it.